Well, it was scheduled for Bobby Fischer comes to the town and whoever wants to play him in a simultaneous exhibition. So from Philadelphia, outside from Philadelphia, they gathered 100-some chess players. Every game was over but my game. So what he did, he was tired too, sat down across to me and wants to play the game out. I offered him a draw when came to my game because it looked like for me and most experts there who were, it's a draw. No, he says, he sat down and he wants to play it out. So we played about 20-25 minutes. And of course he couldn't beat me because the possession was such as a draw. And finally, after all that time, he finally said, okay, and reached me his hand. It's a draw.
Why do you think he wanted to sit down and finish the game when most other people thought it was a draw? Do you think he believed he could beat you, he could figure it out somehow?
Of course he thought so. Sure. He was a very stubborn man, and well, somebody liked him for that, but not everybody.